Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I am back with some Fansells finds. Fantastic Fansells finds, right? So let me show you what we have. This is part one of two. I split them up because there were quite a few things. So let's get to it, and I'll show you this one, and then later, next week or so, you'll see the other one. All right, so let's get to it. This is fantastic. Look at this. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Right? I love it. Love it. Look at the colors in this. Oranges and purples. I love orange and purple together. This mandala. Look at these fun shapes. We're going to have marquees all the way around the outside. Then we get these big bold ones. And then we get some more marquees. That's got a lot of specials. It's only got 8 different drills. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them at least are special drills. I'm gonna love this one. All right, let's look at these colors. Let's look at them. That'll be so much fun to do. Now, the only thing that could make this better would be to have like a colored background. Yeah, no, I'm getting fussy. What can I say? All right, let's look at colors. You ready? Look at the pretty purple. Look how pretty it is. Gorgeous purple. And a yellowy gold color, a deeper orange, and clear. That's it. Those are your rhinestones. Purple, yellow, orange, clear. Okay? Here's our specials. Look at those. Aren't those beautiful? That's going to go on all of these, like almost like a petal, right? Love those. So pretty. Then we have these big clear ones. Those are cool. Then here's some smaller green marquee. I think those are going to go like in the centers of these, of like the little wheelie. Yeah. And then look at the purple ones. How cool. I love it. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. There's that one. Love it. All right. What's next? What's next? What's next, you ask? Okay, this is next. This is cute, right? Very fall. Lots of pumpkins and gourds down here. We got our bird. Looks like a chickadee. And this milk jug type thing full of sunflowers. And look at all of the special drills on the sunflowers. Look at this. I always look at these when I get them. The more special drills, the better, right? So we have some 8s here. Those are a little bit larger. We got all these 7s for the sunflowers. We got, look at all these. These are going to be larger. 6s all through these pumpkins and things. That's going to be cool. And again, there's only 8 different drills. And like half of them are specials. I love that part. I love that, right? All right, let's look at them. But we're going to have lots of oranges, yellows, green. Okay, here we go. Here we go. That's kind of like a bronzy color right there. Green, orange, yellow, red. That's it. 5. Bronzy color, green, orange, yellow, and red. That's our rhinestones. Here's the specials. See, I told you there was a lot of these. That's got to be number 6. All those yellow ones, they're a little bit bigger than a rhinestone. Then look at these marquees. Gold, 2 bags of those. All those sunflowers, yes, please. And then we have these cute little white ones, little pearls. Love it. Okay. This is special drills at its finest. I love it. Love it. Little 30 by 30. Super cute. Love it. All right. Here's another special drill. Had to get this one. I had to. I mean, how can you resist a bunny gnome with a pink truck full of Easter eggs, right? And I looked at this one. I don't think there's going to be slivers in it. So all around the outside edge, these 2s are going to be a special drill. I think it's all rhinestones, other than the special drills. Special drills for the flowers, special drill for the tail light, wonk wonk. Special drills in his hat, special drills in the background. No slivers. No slivers. Can I take him with me on vacation? Maybe. I have a couple Easter things I'm going to throw in my bag, smaller things. That would be fun to do, right? This one has 14. I mean, it's got a lot of colors. Look at all those eggs, right? Got a lot of different colors. I bet there's going to be a lot of purple. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Well, as I said that, let's start with purple. Right, there's your purple rhinestones. There they are. Clear rhinestones, more purple rhinestones. Lighter and darker, lighter, darker. Okay, this is like a champagne color, some pink, some blue, some green, some yellow, another pink, another green. All right, now our specials. Pearls again. Yay, pearls. Oh, we got stars. Oh, all in the background. All in the background here are going to be stars. That's kind of cool. Okay. Look, there's our tail light, honk honk. We got 4 of them. We only need 1, but we have 4. And then look at these pretty pearl teardrops. That's going to go on all these little flowers down here. Pretty, 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 pretty. Okay, hang on. Hang on. What goes here? What goes up here? What's number 11? What's 11? Let's see. What is, oh, the pearls. Okay. I thought they would be bigger than that, but I guess they're not. Nope, the pearls go up here. Number 2 is a rhinestone. Okay. Oh, it's a clear rhinestone. I thought those would be bigger, but I guess they're just rhinestones. Okay. Anyhow, cute, right? Super, super cute. Yes. Let's celebrate some Easter with a Easter bunny gnome. How cute. All right, this one's a little off holiday, but I mean, you know, I ordered it a while ago, so we had to get it when I don't have. Full drill. Happy Valentine's Day. 2 little gnomes. Look at them. Again, in their truck. They got a pink truck, too. Maybe pink, reddish color. I don't know. Look at, looks like they're transporting love in their truck. Those are some big gnomes for that little truck. And then they got this big balloon. It's just, it was fun. It's got 20 different colors. Confetti City, confetti, U's and Z's and T's in the background. Their plaid hats, all these balloons. It was just super cute. Had to get it. 20 colors. Oh, that's what a toolkit looks like. I'm not going to open them because you know what they are. Pink, some white, and some dark colors, black or whatever for all of the, you know, black part. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. All right. Well, that was part 1 of the Fansells order. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you come back and see more things soon. All righty. I will talk to you later, everybody. Goodbye.